Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I just did a show on this radio right here, the QFX radio. And I found a review by Jay Allen, and he said it was a terrible radio, even at $19.99. I think he got it for like $15.99, and he says it was a terrible radio. But when I was doing that show, I was on this page, and I saw this over here. So I thought, let me click on this. This is the Retekess. I've had very good luck with Retekess radios. The V-117 is a great deal. Bargain. What am I looking for here? So I thought, well, let me check it out. It's $19.99. Well, maybe it's not too bad. So I clicked on it. Now, let me tell you the story here. It's pretty bizarre. And see, it says you last purchased this item today. Matter of fact, I purchased it 15 minutes ago. And when I came to this page 15 minutes ago, there was a lightning deal for $10 off. So I quickly did a search on the internet. I found a YouTube video from Todderbert, who does great reviews, and he had gotten it for, I believe, $15.99 or $12.99, and he said it was a great radio for that price, you know, considering the price. And it's for elderly people. Might fit that category. So I just punched buy, and I bought it. Well, when I came back to do this quick video, and I clicked on it, it's like $19.99. I go, oh, did I pay $19.99? No, there was a lightning deal. I don't know what the duration of the deal is, but I only saw this radio for maybe 5 minutes in the deal. I bought it, and the deal was over. Oh, that's one thing about Amazon. They do have these very, very good deals, and you just have to constantly watch them. And so this is coming tomorrow. So I'll have a chance to review it myself. It's got 633 ratings, and the average rating is 4.2 out of 5. 63% 5 stars. Sounds like a pretty good radio. Now, I don't think they'll have that lightning deal very often, but it's kind of one of those things you just have to watch. But I thought originally at $19.99, it was a pretty good deal based on Todderbert's review. So I just lucked out. Luck of the draw. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like I say, I'll be reviewing this very shortly. It's supposed to come tomorrow. And the beauty of buying it from Amazon is I'm a Prime member, so I do get it one day, and there are free returns in case I get a bad one. Hopefully, if I get a bad one, I can exchange it, because Todderbert says his works good. We'll see. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.